Hello everyone. Today we're diving into upgrades for the Synology DS923 NAS. Specifically, we're looking at a NEMIX RAM kit and a pair of NEMIX NVMe SSDs designed to boost performance. The NEMIX RAM kit is a 16 GB, 2 by 8 GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit running at 2666 MHz. It operates at 1.2V with a CL19 latency. For those unfamiliar, ECC, or error-correcting code, memory is crucial for NAS devices as it helps prevent data corruption, ensuring the integrity of your stored files. NEMIX RAM specializes in enterprise storage RAM, so this is a great option. Installation is generally straightforward. The DS923 Plus has accessible memory slots, and most users should be able to complete the upgrade in minutes. Always consult your NAS manual for specific instructions. But does it make a difference? Absolutely. More RAM allows your NAS to handle more concurrent tasks, larger datasets, and smoother operation of applications like Plex or Docker containers. The DS923 Plus benefits significantly from this upgrade, especially if you're running multiple services simultaneously. Next, we have the NEMIX 2TB M.2 2280 NVMe Gen 4 SSDs. These are intended to be used as a cache drive within the DS923 Plus. NVMe Gen 4 technology offers blazing fast speeds, far exceeding traditional SATA SSDs. Why use SSDs as a cache? The DS923 Plus uses these SSDs to store frequently accessed data, allowing the NAS to retrieve it much faster than accessing the data from the hard drives. This results in improved responsiveness, quicker file transfers, and snappier performance for applications. The NEMIX SSDs are easy to install in the DS923 Plus' dedicated M.2 slots. Once installed, you can configure them as a read-write or read-only cache within the Synology DSM operating system. The performance gains are noticeable. Smaller files open almost instantly, and overall system responsiveness is significantly improved. If you frequently access the same files or run applications that rely on fast storage, the SSD cache is a worthwhile investment. NEMIX RAM backs their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality of their memory and storage solutions. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or configuration. While these NEMIX products aren't created or sold by Synology, they're fully compatible with the DS923 Plus. If you're looking to maximize the performance of your Synology NAS, the NEMIX RAM and NVMe SSDs are definitely worth considering. They offer a cost-effective way to boost speed, improve responsiveness, and ensure data integrity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.